Meaning of heat exchanger.
Heat exchanger.
Heat exchanger.
Heat exchanger.
Heat exchanger. A heat exchanger is a device that transfers thermal energy from one fluid to another, without the fluids mixing. The fluids can be gases or liquids and can be separated by a solid wall to prevent mixing. Heat exchangers are commonly used in many industrial and domestic applications, such as air conditioning systems, refrigeration units, power plants, and chemical processing plants. By transferring thermal energy between fluids, heat exchangers can improve efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and increase system performance. Overall, heat exchangers play a vital role in many modern technologies and industries.